I think it's a good thing that one should listen to any good speech or a motivational speech from anyone. This would be a very good thing. And the Prophet ﷺ, he said that the moment he looks for wisdom as if it were a lost property of his own, so do receive what you can from good people. But there are certain things which should be looked at before you start, certain precautions. For example, let's not forget that the real basis of our deen, of our lifestyle, of our complete lifestyle is the Quran and the Sunnah. So that knowledge or wisdom, so-called, coming in from some other source, it should first be checked. It should first be verified at how really good it is. Is it really beneficial for me or not? Or just a fancy sentence I've heard somewhere. The second thing is that the Quran and the Sunnah and the lives of the Sahaba and the Seerah and all the scholars and the great people who have passed in our history are amazing for motivation. I would ask my youngsters especially to definitely read up on the great accomplishments and lives of people, of great Muslims who have passed before us. And yes, for modern day also, when we find good examples and good people to listen to and good people to motivate us and learn from, I think we should go for them. But just be careful. Let's not place any motivational speaker above Allah and the Messenger. Allah is the top priority, the Rasul is the top priority. His seerah, his sunnah, his method, his wisdom, his hikmah is the most important and most beautiful and most beneficial. And yes, from time to time we also hear other things which benefit us. Just have the priorities right.